Day 1. Deep relaxation and body awareness. Welcome to day 1 of our 5 days Yoga Nidra and Hypnotic Trance series for premature ejaculation. Today, we will focus on deep relaxation and bringing awareness to the body. This session will guide you into a state of calm and relaxation, helping you to connect with your body in a way that builds control and balance. Whenever you are ready, let's lay down and begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you inhale, feel your belly expand, and as you exhale, let your body ease and deeper relaxed. Let's repeat this a few more times, allowing each exhale to take you deeper into relaxation. Now, as you continue to breathe naturally, I want you to bring your awareness to your body. Start by bringing your attention to your feet. Simply notice them. Feel the weight of your heels, and if there is any tension in your toes, allow it to melt away. Move your attention to your ankles, calves, and knees. Feel your muscles releasing with each breath. Now, bring your awareness to your thighs, pelvis, and lower back. Let each exhale release any tension stored there. With every breath, your body is relaxing more and more. Shift your focus to your chest, your shoulders, and down through your arms. Feel how heavy and relaxed your body is becoming. Finally, move your awareness to your neck and head. Relax your jaw, your forehead, and your eyelids. As your body relaxes deeply, you may find that you naturally begin to gain control over your body's responses. You are calm. You are in control. Each time you relax like this, You are building more control over your experiences. Now, repeat this mantra to yourself. I am in control of my mind and body. Say it softly in your mind, allowing each repetition to deepen your sense of environment. Now, take a few deep breaths, and as you slowly come back to your present, carry this deep relaxation with you throughout your day. Whenever you feel tension or anxiety arise, remember your breath and this feeling of calmness. You are in control.